TechnoWizards TechieTube presents just Arduino things. Now we'll go to the first video. Dist detection using SONAR. Let's start. Things needed to do this project: an Arduino board and ultrasonic sensor, a breadboard, some jumper wires, and a scale for measuring the distance. With these components listed here, you can easily make a distance detection sense project using Arduino. So let's assemble. Now I'm taking a breadboard and I'm going to connect the ultrasonic sensor which I have in my hand in the board. So there are totally 4 pins in the ultrasonic sensor. I need to give it correctly, like the ground, the VCC, and the sensor echo and receiver pin. So I'm going to connect the jumper wires. It's a male-to-male jumper wire. I'm taking 4 jumper wires and connecting 4 at the corner of the pins. And now I have connected the pins in the board as said. I'll be putting the pin connections in the side. You can see it. So I'm taking an Arduino Uno. Then I'm going to connect the sensors VCC and ground to the Arduino's VCC and ground, that is 5 volt and the ground point. And on the echo and wind, I'm going to connect some digital ports that we have in the right side. So that is what you can see here. Actually, in this Arduino board there are 2 types of pins. One is analog pins and another one is digital pins. In this, we can also give in the analog pin to get the accurate decimal analog value, but I'm giving a digital port so that I can get a PMW value based on the board's processing. So over the left I have given the pin connections that you need to look into it. The pin connections between the Arduino Uno and the ultrasonic sensor. Have a look on it. And the code is uploaded. The 15cm scale which is kept is to check whether the distance showing in the serial monitor is actually correct or not. So we can just get the values using connecting the Arduino to a system and opening the serial monitor on the laptop or a computer. So I'm using this Arduino cable, ABC Arduino bus cable, to connect the Arduino and the system which I have, and I'm gonna upload the code now. The code is available in the description. Please look into it and have a reference of this video. Make this project and do tag us at the Instagram or the FB page. Our profile is in the YouTube and in the video description as well. All components purchase link is as available in the description too. And now the code has been uploaded and I'm going to check the code whether it is working properly or not. So I'm using my phone cover to check whether the distance shows in the scale is as same as the distance shown in the serial monitor. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to TechieTube.